In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund through PayPal. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. By the end, you'll be able to confidently request a refund for a payment you've made using your PayPal account. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account with your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you should land on your PayPal dashboard. This is your main account overview, where you can see your balance, recent activity, and shortcut links to different features. From this dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the menu bar and find the option labeled Activity. Go ahead and click on Activity. This section is where PayPal shows you a list of all your recent transactions, including money you've sent, money you've received, and any other account activity. If you don't immediately see the payment you want a refund for, you can scroll through the list or use the filters and search options. For example, you can filter by date range or type of transaction to narrow things down. This can be especially helpful if you have a lot of payments in your history. Once you've located the payment you're concerned about, click on that specific transaction to open the detailed view. This page gives you more information about the payment, such as the amount, the date, the recipient, and the payment status. On this detailed transaction page, look for a link or button that says Refund this payment. The exact wording can vary slightly by region, but it will clearly indicate that it's related to issuing or requesting a refund. Click on Refund this payment for the payment in question. After clicking, PayPal may show you a confirmation screen or prompt you to review the details. Take a moment to double check the amount and the transaction information to make sure everything is correct. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the refund request. In some cases, the refund will be processed automatically. In others, it may need to be approved by the seller, so timing can vary. That's all there is to it. By going to your PayPal dashboard, opening the Activity tab, locating your transaction, and selecting Refund this payment,